When my prodigal won't come home, the nights are long, and I feel so alone. But you remind my weary soul to cast my cares on you, for you care for me. Yes, you care for me. You said you'd never leave me. You're always there, even in the waiting, even in the prayer. So I lift my eyes again, though my heart is worn and weak. I trust the God who watches over every lost sheep. I pray that my prodigal will come to himself, turn his heart back to the Father, cry out for help. Believe in his heart that you were raised from the dead. He will be saved. He will be saved. My prodigal will be saved. I pray. I will pray through every day. Pray. Stony heart is rolled away. Jesus, you say. Lord, you hear when I pray. I trust you even in delay. Jesus, you say. Jesus, you say. Jesus, you say. My prodigal will be saved. 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 Oh, Jesus, you say.